What's up YouTube, this is Mr. Fresh back with another video to help you make the right tech decision. Today we're going to be reviewing 2018 iPad Pro. So let's dive into it. Okay, we're back in. So today we're going to review all new 2018 iPad Pro. What I have here is the 12.9-inch Wi-Fi, and it has 256 gigabyte of storage. So this iPad starts from 64 gig all the way up to 1 terabyte, and it starts from I believe like $899 all the way up to like $1,900. So it's pretty expensive, right out the bat. And this is pretty much all new design. As you can see, you don't have any more home button. You have a Face ID now instead of Touch ID. Also, the design reminds me of the back in the old phone. I believe it was like iPhone 5. iPhone 5, I believe. Yeah, that's the right one. iPhone 5 or iPhone 4, I believe. That's the design. So I really like this nice retro design that they went with. Really slick design. Also, it's also very thin, so this is definitely iPad you want to put it in the case. I highly recommend getting a case and a tempered glass. I do have one right now installed in here, tempered glass, and I do also have a folio case. This is just a regular folio case that I ordered from Amazon. If you guys want to check this out, the screen protector and the case, I will go ahead and put the link in the description below. And I did this myself actually, the carbon fiber vinyl. I added myself. So if you guys have any questions, just comment below and I can tell you how I did it. And also, please check the description below, and I'll put all the link in the description below of the item that I'm showing you. Anyways, yeah, this is an all new design. You have your quad speakers, so speakers are great. Now it's also, instead of lightning port, it has the let's see if it focuses or not. Hopefully it does. It has the USB Type-C now. So there's the USB Type-C, and then also you have your Apple Pencil. So if you have an Apple Pencil, it goes right there. I have the Apple Pencil 2 right here. It just goes on top and it charges right there, that's how it goes. And then there's nothing else on this side. Is just also your speaker grill. On the bottom you have your little mic there, and then on back you have your camera with the flash and your magnetic connector for the smart keyboard. So that's all around the. Let me just go ahead and open this real quick. So yeah, so far, this is a very powerful tablet. I had the 2017 iPad Pro, and when I found out that they're gonna have the new iPad next year, which was this year, in 2018, I actually went and sold mine. I think I sold it probably about 4 months ago or something. I sold it, and I got a good price for it, so I'm happy with it. And also this iPad is also mainly for people who are going to just do browsing, view YouTube video, maybe a little bit of like photo editing, video editing. It will work for that. I don't think this tablet will replace your laptop, because there's still a lot of restriction. I was hoping that the iOS 12 would bring some kind of a thing where you could. So right now at this point you can only import. And by the way, you need to have one of these as well. This is your USB Type-C adapter to transfer file. So basically right now at this point you can only transfer media files, like your music and photos. It's only photos and videos that you can transfer in here. You can't really transfer anything else unless you have cloud storage. You do cloud storage stuff, and that would be the way to go. So that's some of the things that I don't like. Also, this, like I said, this is a very fragile device. So if you're accidentally put it on your backpack and lean too hard, it might bend. And what I've heard, when the news came out that, you know, this is supposed to be like very expensive to repair. Like if you would break like the screen or something, it would be very expensive to replace the screen and all that. So I would, if you're planning to buy one of these, or if you already have one, I highly recommend you get a screen protector and a nice case, unless you're getting like, you know, the folio smart keyboard or whatnot. But if you're not into that, then I would definitely recommend you getting a nice case for it to protect your iPad. And so the things that I didn't like about this iPad is pretty much like, you know, like I did right now you can only, you know, connect like Bluetooth keyboard. There's no like mouse support, and like I said, it doesn't support any of the other file other than like, you know, your photos and videos. So that's kind of a let down, because, you know, this iPad has, you know, Apple's A12X Bionic chip. It's super fast. I mean, it's supposed to be faster than some of the laptops that are out there. So I think that's a kind of a let. That's why this is pretty hard for me to like recommend to people, other than, you know, if you're like a sketch artist, you know, then, you know, that's a good for them. People who are just doing like, you know, browsing, watching video. I mean, the screen is great. I mean, it's definitely great, and it has a nice viewing angle. It's lightweight, you know, so like you can actually hold it at one hand. And also, I really like that when they went with, I was kind of skeptical about this Face ID, but it actually works on every single angle. So if I hold it like this, it's here, it works. If I even go like this, it works. If I go like this, it works. So that's pretty cool that it works on every single angle. And, you know, for suppose if you hold it like that, it will tell you that, you know, your camera is covered, you know, so you can you know, move your finger from there. My conclusion for this tablet is, yeah, this is not for everybody. I think also I would say that if you have the 2017 iPad, I would save the money and you know, wait for the next generation. I think that's my recommendation at the moment. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day.